ज्या ज्या ठिकाणी मन जाय माझे, त्या त्या ठिकाणी निज रूप तुझे मी ठेवितो मस्तक ज्या ठिकाणी, तेथे तुझे सद्गुरु पाय दोन्ही.
Now, let's see why God created teacher and why do we celebrate Teachers' Day. Long, long ago, God created a man, and once He created a man, He started to think, I have to let man go and live on earth. He will be far, far away from me. So, who will teach him to look after himself, how to think, how to play, how to learn? Now, that's a big problem indeed, and I need some magic. Yes, God created a special creature. This creature was indeed very difficult. Sometimes he became a man and sometimes a woman. He never got tired, had so much of patience, loved children, so hardworking, saw many stories, and always wanted to learn more and more. Aha, said God, finally I have found the answer to my problem. Man will be safe on earth under the guidance of this creature. So God put this creature on the earth to take care of man, and God gave it a special name. Yes, that is Guru. Gu means darkness and Ru means light. So Guru means someone who could help you to find answers to your problems and take away the darkness, who would awaken the joy from learning and love for learning within you, so that gurus were born. And it so happened in ancient India, all mummies and daddies slowly started leaving their children under the care of Guru. Now, in the olden days, as soon as the child was able to walk, eat, and run on his own, the child is left to the Guru to learn and to learn more. How to count, read, write, and so much more. And so the home of the Guru was known as Gurukul. Slowly and slowly, as the years went by, man started traveling when the wheels were discovered, and the man started traveling even faster when the steam engine was made. Earlier, man used to write on leaves. Do you know this, feathers? But gradually, man discovered a machine that could print books. So, you see, dear children, a lot changed, and slowly the Gurukul turned into brick and cement buildings that came to be called a school. And when the Gurukul changed into a school, the Guru also called a new name, teacher. And then all the people in the world, like you and me, decided that just as we celebrate Doctor's Day, Mother's Day, Father's Day, and Children's Day, so also we must have a Teacher's Day. A teacher to show our love and thankfulness towards our Guru, our teachers. So Teachers' Day came to be celebrated on different days in the world. In India, we celebrate Teachers' Day on the 5th September every year. This is the story behind it. Why do we choose 5th September? Well, that was a mark of respect towards a great leader called Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. He was not only the second president of Free India, but also a great teacher. His students loved him and he made his teaching in classes so very interesting. He used to read a lot of books and tell a lot of stories to his children. And one day his friends and students told him that they wanted to celebrate his birthday in a special manner. So Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan said, "No, if you want to celebrate my birthday, then so let us celebrate as Teachers' Day and dedicated to all the teachers in India." And so from that day onwards, we started celebrating September 5th as Teachers' Day. And there are so many ways in which we can celebrate. You can sing a song to your teacher, you can write a story for him or her, you can write a rhyme or dress up like your favorite teacher, and so much more. But let me tell you one of the best way to celebrate Teachers' Day, something that will make your teacher so very happy. Yes, do this. Talk to her and listen to her, love her and respect her. Keep your teacher in your heart and in your prayers. Just as you need your teacher also needs you. Just as you love your teacher also loves you. Always remember that. Now, it's a day of reminder. Teachers are the backbone of our society. Because of teachers' contribution and their sacrifices, our society stands straight. A teacher, first a student, then a teacher. Teachers are who always try to make us capable. Teachers always inspire us to learn new things each day. They help to find our real talent and to move forward. They appreciate your small achievements. They also remind us to be focused towards your goal. When everybody laughs at your mistakes, teacher tells us the mistakes are the part of life. Parents give us life, but teachers show how to live your life beautifully. We must have respect for them in your heart. They impart good values in us and transform us into a responsible citizens. We celebrate Teachers' Day in our school as a tribute to Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan with Deep Prajwal. A special chief guest is invited for this function to motivate teachers as well as students. Some students express their views towards teachers on this day. Teachers are also appreciated with love as a small gift. Always teachers involve students in all the activities, but on this day, teachers are involved in the activities. Yes. Do you remember the live TV show? Right. Our Prime Minister Dr. Narendra Modi addresses school children and teachers on the occasion of Teachers' Day in New Delhi on 5th September 2014. Because of lockdown, we are unable to celebrate this on a large scale. Your teachers are taking efforts to teach you through online education system. So always respect your teachers and obey them and wish them Happy Teachers' Day. So, here is a beautiful song dedicated to your lovely teachers.
नन्हे से कदम लेकर जब आए पहली बार, नन्हे से कदम लेकर जब आए पहली बार, थामी हमारी उंगली उस टीचर को हमारा प्यार। तो बोलो गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरा, गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। मुश्किल राहों पर गिरते उठते और संभलते हैं, हम थक भी जाए पर देखो वो कभी न थकते हैं। वो टीचर ही तो है जो हमारे साथ चलते हैं, हमारे साथ चलते हैं। तो बोलो गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरा।